What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video today, I'm going to be introducing you all to a potential airdrop called TAO dollars. All right, and mind you guys, this is not a joke. All right, I'm going to go over to my Bybit right now and just show you something real quick. Okay, so I'm going to hit on Bybit right here, guys. So as you can see, the TAO USDT pair right here on Bybit is currently sold at 321.20 USDT, as you can see right here, guys. Okay, and currently it can only be traded on Bybit futures. Okay, it's currently not on spot because you can't actually buy and hold it, okay? But you can actually trade it on the futures market right here on Bybit, guys. All right, so that is it, guys. All right, so make sure you pay close attention to this video so you get to know exactly how you can start mining the TAO dollar token for absolutely free, so you won't be left behind during the TGE. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know step by step about the TAO token, so you actually get informed and know exactly how you can mine. Okay, so with that being said, if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is Don Camps TV, and what to do here is we give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever Don Camps TV uploads wonderful videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you'd always be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly hop into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Okay, guys, so here we are on my Google Docs page right now. So before I show you guys exactly how you can start mining the TAO dollar token, we first of all need to know what the token is about. All right, so as you can see right here, it says introduction to TAO Airdrop. Down below here says the TAO token is a native cryptocurrency of the bittensor network, a decentralized AI network that rewards participants for contributing computational resources and machine learning models. So here are some key aspects of the TAO token. So the first right here talks about the current price, okay? And it says that the live TAO price is around $325.75. Okay, I believe we checked it on Bybit a while ago, all right? And it says with a 24-hour trading volume of approximately $5.9 million. So this is massive, guys. All right. So the market cap right now, it says that the market cap of TAO is about $3.19 billion, ranking it number 36 among all cryptocurrencies. Okay. So this is actually huge, guys. All right. So next right here talks about the circulating supply. And it says that the circulating supply of TAO is around 9.79 million, with a maximum supply capped at 21 million. Okay. This is massive. All right. So next right here talks about the use cases, and it says TAO tokens are used for the first right here, rewards, and it says incentivizing participants to contribute valuable resources to the network. And the next right here talks about transaction fees, and it says paying for transactions within the network. Okay. The next talks about governance, and it says participating in decision-making process. All right. The next talks about staking, and it says enhancing network security and earning rewards. All right. So right now, let's talk about the growth potential. So it says that the TAO token has potential for growth driven by the adoption of bittensor's technology and the increasing demand for decentralized AI solutions. Okay, so I hope you understand what this term actually means, guys. All right, so the next right here talks about where to buy TAO tokens, and one of those places includes Mexi, KuCoin, and Bybit, as you can see right here. Okay, so overall, the TAO token plays a crucial role in the bittensor's ecosystem, incentivizing participants to contribute valuable resources and promoting the development of decentralized AI solutions. Okay, so guys, this is all you need to know theoretically about the TAO dollar token. All right, so now that you actually know about this, let's go see how it works practically. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can start mining these tokens for free to actually, be involved in the TGE, guys. Okay, so let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are on the TAO dollar website homepage right now. So as you can see up here, they're actually powered by Inspect. Okay, so down below here says connect your X, and down below here says confirm your address. Okay, so this is actually one of the criteria of mining the TAO dollars. All right, so how do you connect your X? All you just simply do is hit on the connect X button down below here, guys. Okay, so it's going to load up automatically. It's going to redirect you over to your X account, guys. So let's just give this some time. Okay, it's loading right now. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I've actually connected my X account right now. Okay, so that is basically how you can connect your X. All right, so I'm going to go back right now and just follow the other instruction, guys. Okay, so let's go. Okay, guys, so as you can see right here, I successfully connected my X account. Okay, so connecting your X account right here is basic. All right, so all you simply do is authorize TAO to have access to your Twitter account, and boom, guys, you're going to get connected immediately. All right, so that is it. So as you can see, you can also log out right here that says log out. It's quite easy, guys. All right, So right here that says confirm your address, all you simply need to do is go over to your MetaMask and copy your ERC20 address. Okay, as you can see down here, it says this is where your TAO rewards will be sent. Must be compatible with ERC20 address. Okay, so all you simply do is create a MetaMask account if you don't have one. And then when you're actually done creating an account on MetaMask, all you simply do is copy your ERC20 wallet address, and boom guys, you actually paste it right here. Okay, so I'm going to paste mine right here right now. I'm going to paste. So this is it guys. All right, so all you simply do after that is down below here that says join mining pool, you just simply hit on join the mining pool button right here. Okay, it's going to load up guys. Let's give this some time. All right. Okay guys, as you can see down here, it says successfully joined mining. Okay, so next right here at the task, you need to complete each and every single day to accumulate the TAO dollar token guys. Okay, so as you can see right here, it says week 1 August 18th, subnet 23 rewards interactions with announced content. All right, so down below here it says quote retweet this post by @announced subnet, and the next right here says add #announced inspect XYZ to your post. This tag is how emissions are tracked. All right, so please take note of these guys. And the next right here says that's it, start mining TAO dollars for your announced post. All right, so the last right here talks about submitting your tweet URL. Okay, and it says tweet must be from you. Okay, so as you can see, it actually indicated my name right here. It says @duncam08. So when you actually link your X to your inspect account, your name is also going to be showing down below here just like mine. All right, so all you simply do is when you actually tweet, just copy the tweet URL and then you paste it down below here. You actually hit on the submit button guys. That is basically how you can do this. All right, so I'm going to be showing you everything right now. Okay, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can tweet the right way to get your point guys. All right, so first off, all we need to do is I'm going to copy the stuff I actually did for myself. I'm going to copy the write-up I actually made, and then I'm going to go over to Twitter to start tweeting guys. Okay, so let's go. Okay guys, so here we are on my notepad right now. So this right here is the write-up I made for posting on X. Okay, you can also copy this. I'm going to be leaving this write-up on my Telegram channel, so make sure you join my Telegram channel for more and more updates guys. Okay, so I'm going to copy this right now. Okay, I'm going to select all, just copy everything, and then I head over to my X account right now guys. Okay, so let's go. Okay guys, so here we are on my X account right now. So before we actually proceed with this video right now, if you are finding value on this video, please don't hesitate to smash on that subscribe button right now for your boy, and also share this video and hit on the bell icon to always get notified on new updates like this guys. Okay, so with that being said, let's proceed. So guys, this is my account right here on X. So make sure to also follow me on X right here so you always get notified on updates as well. And also you can retweet my post if you are friends right here on Twitter to earn more points guys. Okay, for yourself. So that is it. Okay, so the question right now is how do you post on Twitter? So guys, posting right here on Twitter is quite easy. All you simply do is over here that actually shows this plus sign. You just simply hit on the plus sign right here. And then over here that says post, you simply hit on post guys. Okay, so I'm going to paste what I copied from my notepad right here. I'm going to paste. As you can see, everything is intact. It says bittensor is different from other AI projects because it decentralizes the training and rewards contributions at the subnet level. This can reshape how AI networks grow. Okay, and these are the hashtags down below here. Nuance inspect XYZ and nuance inspect XYZ with an apostrophe right here. Okay, so that is basically how you can do this. So when you're actually done entering all the stuff right here, you just simply hit on post guys. Okay, so it's going to post right now. Okay, so let's just give this some time until this posts. So I'm going to refresh my account right now, so we'll see if it's actually posted or not. Okay, so as you can see, I just posted this right now. Okay, so you can also like your post right here if you want. As you can see, I just liked my post right now. So guys, the next step would be copying your posted URL right here and pasting it on the TAO mining website guys. Okay, so how do you copy your URL? So all you just simply do is over here that shows this share sign, you just simply hit on it guys. Okay, and over here that says copy link, you just simply copy the link, and then you head over to the website right here, and then you paste the link right here guys. Okay, and then you simply submit the link. Okay, so that is basically how you can do this. So let's just give this some time guys. It says submitting. Okay, so let's give this some time. Boom, as you can see, it says task submitted successfully. Your submission is being received. Okay, so that is basically what you simply need to do guys. All right, so guys, the next step would be quoting on noun subnet. Okay, so this can actually earn you more points guys. So how do you quote? You can just simply hit on this place right here that says quote now. Okay, then you simply hit on X right here. Okay, so this is it. So all you simply do is hit on quote down below here, guys, and then you can simply say something like keep up the good work. Okay, work. And then you make sure you add these two tags, because if you don't add the two tags, no points for you. Okay, so the first right here is $TAO, all right, TAO. And then the second would be hashtag nouns, NUANCE. Okay, then inspect. Okay, this is it. Now inspect XYZ. So this is basically the two tags you have to add. Then you simply hit on repost right here. Okay, so guys, that is basically what you need to do. Okay, so you need to do this consistently, guys, to earn more points. All right, so the next step would be engaging on post. But guys, first of all, you need to make sure you follow the nouns account right here. Okay, just simply hit on follow right here. Guys, this project is actually a very huge project. All right, it's a very huge project. Okay, so don't joke with these guys so you won't be left behind. All right, so the next step right now would be engaging on post. Okay, so you can just simply hit on any post of your choice right here. For instance, this post right here that says you can still be smart on X, you just simply hit on it and then you simply scroll down, guys. Okay, so these are a bunch of persons who are actually engaging on this post. Okay, so how can you actually engage? You can simply hit on this place down here that says post your reply, and then you simply say something like good work. Okay, let's say good work, good work. All right, and then you also put your $ Tao. Okay, TAO, and then the hashtag nouns. So this is it right here. So you just simply hit on this hashtag right here. So this is basically how you can do it, and then you simply hit on reply, guys. Okay, so I just engaged in a post. All right, so when you actually do this consistently, guys, you are definitely going to get your point. Okay, so how do you actually see your point? So I'm going to go back right now, guys, to the website, so I show you exactly how you can see your point, okay, from time to time. So guys, let's go. Okay guys, so here we are back on the website right now. So how do you see your point? So guys, it's quite easy. All you simply do is up here that actually shows this hamburger sign. You just simply hit on it, guys, and then you simply hit on leaderboard. Okay, so as you can see, guys, over here it says mining leaderboard, calculated mining rewards. Okay, so guys, at the end of your mining session, you're going to be seeing your total mining rewards down below here that is actually loading. Okay, but for now you can't see it. All right, so these are the active users right now on the TAO mining. They currently have about 216,049 active miners. Okay, so these are the miners down below here, as you can see. So guys, this is all for the TAO mining for now. So guys, this is where I'm going to be drawing my curtain for today. So if you actually found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. And if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, do well to smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon so you always get notified each time amazing videos like this have been uploaded right here on this channel. So guys, mind you, this project is actually going to be a very short-term project, so make sure to actually get involved right now so you won't miss out, guys. Okay, so thank you all once more for watching this video. Do have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out.